Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use emojis on Instagram on Android device. Let's begin. If you are an Android user and want to know how to use emojis on Instagram in 2025, the process is very simple and built right into your phone. So in order to use emojis on Instagram, you have to follow these steps. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store. Once updated, open the app and go to any section where you can type text, such as captions, comments, or direct messages. Now, when the keyboard opens on your Android device, you will see a small emoji icon usually located near the spacebar or on the bottom row of the keyboard. Tap on that icon to open the full emoji menu. From here, you can scroll through categories or use the search option to quickly find a specific emoji. The best part is that in 2025, most Android devices support the newest Unicode emoji set, meaning you'll get all the latest emojis instantly without needing to install anything extra. If for some reason your default keyboard does not show emojis, you can download third-party keyboards like Gboard or SwiftKey, both of which provide a wide range of emoji support, stickers, and even GIFs that can be used directly inside Instagram. Another tip is that when writing captions, you can mix emojis with text to make your posts stand out more. While in Stories, you can use Instagram's built-in emoji stickers that you simply drag and drop anywhere on the screen. So overall, whether you're commenting, posting, or sending a DM, using emojis on Instagram with an Android device in 2025 is seamless. Just open your keyboard, tap the emoji button, and bring your conversations and posts to life with the latest expressions. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use emojis on Instagram on Android device. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.